Alright, you saw my previous video. I broke my bit, which is not much fun, but that's what happens sometimes. As you can see, what I'm doing is resurfacing this. This has been used enough and cut in enough that it's got all kinds of waffles, so I want to put material on here. The next project I have requires a smooth surface because I'm cutting within, I don't know, 0.05, something like that. So I want to resurface this so it's nice and smooth so that I can mount my next project. The next project is I'm making a dust boot for this machine, one that I think will work better than what I can get, unfortunately, from Next Wave. We'll find out when I get it built, but that's what my next project is, working on one of those. So I'll let you know how it turns out, but you just saw how it broke. So I slowed down the bit a little bit, and the bit I had on there was an extended bit. In other words, it was an exceptionally long bit. This is, as you can tell, it's a lot shorter. This is a 1 inch to a 1 1/4 inch cutting surface. The other had a 2-inch cutting surface. The longer the bit, the more fragile it is, and they do break. And you've got to see that in the last video. So that's what I'm doing. It takes about an hour, maybe 2, who knows, for this to cut, because it cuts 0.125 each pass, and it's got to go all the way out here on both sides and all the way to the other end. So we'll see how it does. All right, you have a good day and have fun with your CNC, and every once in a while you have to clean up your spoil board. Good day.